I think I just found the craziest niche ever. Now, this niche has a traffic value of $1.4 million, and I'm going to reveal it to you because I just can't believe it. So in this video, I'm going to reveal how I stumbled across this niche, how you could take advantage of it, and all the opportunities that are associated with it. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so earlier today, I was actually creating more content for my YouTube masterclass. It's a coaching community in which I help you grow your YouTube channel. And one of the ways that you can find a niche is using something called Google Trends. It's trends.google.com. Now, if we take a look at my screen here, I've got Google Trends pulled up. And then I noticed something weird. Now, if you look at my screen, can you see it? Because I see lots of opportunity. Now, believe it or not, the opportunity is not talking about Cisco or vacation rentals or open compute projects. It's actually with Olive Garden. Now, before you jump off, stay with me because this is going to get much, much weirder. Today is National Pasta Day. And believe it or not, National Pasta Day could potentially bring you a lot of money. Let me show you how. Now, what I did next is I went over and I typed in National Pasta Day and this website popped up, National Day Calendar. Now, on the surface, you think, okay, great. It's just a website that talks about national days. In America, we've got this weird little thing that every day has to be a special day where we buy something different. Today happens to be National Pasta Day. We've got Coffee Day and Bosses Day and Grandparents Day and Twins Day. We've got all sorts of days. We got a day for everything. And believe it or not, that's where the opportunity is. Now, if we look at this website, it looks like a regular, boring old website. This website has ads. This website is also selling stuff. But this website and YouTube channel that goes along with it, this is the YouTube channel, National Day Calendar, where they just upload videos about Dessert Day and Grouch Day, where we could sell Oscar the Grouch merch, but that's a different story for a different day. National Mulligan Day, there's just days for every day. There's days for days. But this is the website, this simple little website, has a traffic value of $1.4 million. It ranks for 165,000 keywords, and you can see it gets 2.2 million visitors. Now, this is what's so crazy about this. We can look at the keywords, and you can see, what national day is it today? 135,000 searches. Every single month, 135,000 people want to know what national day is it today. Now, the reason why that can be important is the discounts that occur, and that's where Olive Garden comes in. It is very possible that on National Pasta Day, places like Olive Garden and Fagioli's and any and every Italian restaurant in the United States is offering some sort of discount based on the day. So on Coffee Day, you could have gotten a discount at Starbucks. At Boss's Day, you would buy a mug for your boss. But that's where the opportunity is. And that's what's so crazy about this. This is what's crazy about making money online. First, we've got the ads. The ads are here, they're obvious. The people, somebody is searching days of the week. March national days, May national days. These are opportunities for you. And there are tons of opportunities. First opportunity we're looking at, again, National Pasta Day, October 17th. This could have a breakdown of everywhere that's offering a discount for National Pasta Day. And then you could be an affiliate for a website like restaurant.com, where they will pay you a 15% commission to start restaurant.com purchases. You could also go out and find different affiliate programs for anything and everything according to that day. It will take some planning, and this probably won't just light like a fire overnight, but as you can see, here in America, we look for different reasons to spend money, and literally millions of people are looking up what day is it today. They want to know when it is National Cupcake Day so they can run out to their local bakery and buy cupcakes. But that's also an opportunity. If you don't want to do a blog, which I can understand, maybe you do a YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is not monetized. They have 2,000 subscribers, but they're getting consistent views on people asking about the different days. Now, we could do the same thing. We could say national_day, and you can see that people are going to be looking up different days. When is National Quesadilla Day, for example? National Quesadilla Day happens on the same date every single year. Special days to remember, 924 subscribers, 63 views. But you can see people are looking this up, and this could be an opportunity for you to promote a quesadilla maker, You could go out and find a company like Grubhub that might have an affiliate program. But there's another way to make money that is really, really obvious. National Day Calendar is making money by having people buy calendars. Look at this. They are selling calendars. They're selling a bunch of stuff, but they're selling calendars as well. Look at this. Can't wait to celebrate Children's Book and 2024 wall calendar for $33.94. If we click on this, they have probably drop shipping, but this is another opportunity to make money. So if you think that I'm just blowing smoke, I'm just making this up, hopefully you're able to see that there's a lot of opportunity. You can just run ads on your account, whether it's Google or YouTube. You can run ads. You can sell fun socks for women or National Day Calendar official birthday and anniversary gifts. If you're planning this out, you would put a link, an affiliate link to coffee mugs that you find over on Amazon for National Bosses Day or National Teachers Day or Secretaries Day, whatever it is. But look at the opportunity that is sitting right in front of you. Look at this. They're selling official wine glasses for National Wine Day. That's going to be a big seller, I guarantee it. But if we look at the keywords, Administrative Professionals Day, Teachers Day, what day is it they're ranking for, believe it or not? June 2023, National Days in March. And then you actually go out and you find different affiliate programs or different products to sell if you're doing drop shipping. You could make money. Look at this one. National Pet Day, it has a keyword difficulty of 9, so not difficult at all, but it has 200,000 searches per month. Do you think people, they're looking up National Pet Day, do you think they would buy something for their pet? The answer is yes. How about National Beer Day? Are there affiliate programs for beer? Of course there are. Let me know in the comment section if you can directly link the keywords, this website, and money, which you should be able to. Let me know if you can link these, because I see lots and lots of opportunity. Lots of opportunity, lots of money. Obviously, if we look at their traffic value, they are making lots of money. And you could too by simply creating content based on these keywords. Now, most likely, you're not going to see instant success. This is something that you're going to have to build upon every single day, weekly. You're going to have to keep creating content even when you feel like it's not working. I think there's lots of money here. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know if you can't see the opportunity. Let me know if you think the opportunity is just me making stuff up, because I see it and hopefully you do too. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.